The match commences between Fresh Fish and Manori FC. Both the talented teams which have come up have won the match. Both are well in tackling, passes, dribbling. They even they have a lot of speed. Both the teams have that speed, the energy, and the youthness in them. Wonderful kick by Fresh Fish, but very well defended by Manori FC defenders. Manori FC is not only their striking and good strikers, but also very good defenders also. Same way Fresh Fish have good strikers, the defense also is good. The ball position is mostly with Fresh Fish till now. Manori have the chance. The ball is out of the playing area. Given it to Fresh Fish. Jersey number 10 shoots it directly in the penalty area, but very well defended by the Manori FC. He shoots it back. Manori FC have the possession, throws the ball back in their side of the game, and but the defender back, passing it back to the defender. The defender passes, takes the ball, passes it to the midfield. The midfielder collects it. The striker is running up, but not able to kick it off. The ball is back with the Manori FC goalie. Manori FC showing some sides of getting something special. Manori FC players, referee decision will be the final decision out here. Referee signals out the ball position is with Fresh Fish. Fresh Fish throws the ball to jersey number 6. Jersey number 6 passes it on to 11, but it's not been collected by jersey number 11. Ball is back to Manori FC. Manori FC collects the ball, kicks it. Again, the ball is out of the playing area. The continuity of the game is not happening as much because the play is stopped because of the ball is out of the playing area most of the time. Manori FC kicks it, but very offside of the goal, not in reach. Both the teams searching for the chances to put up a goal out here, but Manori FC defended the ball. They had a good chance. Jersey number 1 could have taken some action out there, but he couldn't. Now the ball is passed on. Manori FC goalie takes a position to kick the ball. All players are taking the position. Let's see which part of the ground. He kicks exactly in the center. Fresh Fish gives a header. Manori FC kicks it towards the Fish Fresh goal, but collected by the goalie in the right side of the corner. We got a special spectator in the ground, so somebody need to push him out. Okay. The ball is with Fresh Fish, passes on to number 6. Number 6 passes on to number 12. 12 collects the ball very nicely. Again passes it back. Nice stopping of the ball by number 10. He kicks it off to number 12. But now Manori FC showing good signs in defending the goal as well the possession of the ball. But the possession of the ball is most of the time with Fresh Fish. They are showing nice potential but not able to convert it to any of the goals. Both the teams are still with 0 figures. Manori FC pushes it back to the goalie. He throws it to jersey number 12, but very well tackled and is going forward, but stopped by defender from Fresh Fish number 6. Jersey number 1 take him on, taking it on. Take it him on, he's taking it on. Mr. Mori, the goalie of Fresh Fish, collects the ball. He takes in the center, kicks it in the Manori FC area, but headed back to jersey number 10 of Fresh Fish. Fresh Fish passes it on to number 3. Number 3 passes on to number 10. Manori defenders are doing quite well. The striker is just going ahead and passes it very well, but stops and he has a chance. Yes. That was a golden chance which they missed. Manori had. That would call you feed like feeding with a spoon, but he couldn't do that. He should have striked it on the time. He missed it by seconds. Jersey number 6, Fresh Fish, kicks it back to number 1, but outside of the playing area. Manori is taking the position, but they had few chances, but they could not convert it. Manori FC passes on back, but good defended by Fresh Fish. Fresh Fish, as fresh as good fish. Passes it on. The referee whistles it out. The ball is passed to Fresh Fish, jersey number 22. Again, he's been tackled by the Manori defenders, and the ball is brought back. And he kicks, but kicks it very randomly outside the goal post. Fresh Fish are trying their very best. They had few chances, but Manori FC had a wonderful chance. They missed it out. Jersey number 22 running to get the ball. He collects it, but the ball position is given to Fresh Fish. They kick it out. It's been kicked out again out of the playing area. The ball is handed over to goalie of Fresh Fish. It's kicked back in the Fresh Fish area. Manori 18 jersey could not control the ball, and the ball is out of the playing area. They had few chances, but they could not make it out till now. Both the teams, both the tough sides, and have good skills, but sometimes skills requires luck as well. So the luck is missing. The first half is over without the team scoring. DJ. Both the teams all set for the second half. Manorosh FC had shown some signs of the goal and their chances. Let's see, they have the second half. Both the teams to start with something. Manori FC passes back, takes a position, stops the ball, but good control, nice tackling out there. Nice, that's very good football overall going out there. But fresh jersey number 12 kicks the ball out. Manori FC has a position of the ball. He throws the ball again, but he misses. Fresh are coming ahead. Shoots out. The position, jersey number 1 could not control in a proper, could not get in the proper position. If he had a great chance, but they missed out something. Manori FC, jersey number 18 passes on. That's very well tackled, but he takes the ball again, but outside of the playing area near the goal post. Both the team have had some chances, but they missed on the few moments out there. Both the teams have not scored yet. Now Manori FC is getting one corner. Let's see if they can convert this corner into half chance into full or goal. It's kicked very well outside of the penalty area. It's a bad kick out here. They've lost the chance in the corner. There's a whistle from the referee. The ball have been given out to Fresh Fish. Passes on to jersey number 22. Again 22, missed that ball. It's back. It's kicked back outside the playing area. Manori FC collects the ball. Throws it back. They have a good chance out here, but not able to stop the ball. Right, every Manori FC player has been marked with a player. So both the teams are mark to mark, but not showing any signs of converting into chances into goals. That they have good tackling, good passes, but no goals yet. That's the sign of good team. Both the teams are showing good signs out here. Ball passes out there to just Fresh. Again, it will pass to jersey number 10. Jersey number 10 pass, not able to pass it on. It's been collected by jersey number 18 of Manori FC. He's running towards the goal on the right hand side of the corner. He stops the ball. Very nice control of the ball. Stops it in the right time, but leave the chance. The ball is handed over to the goalie of Fresh. Fresh and both Manori FC trying their luck to get a goal. Let's see if they get the goal out there, or we are running out of time. And if we are running out of time, that we will have penalty shootouts. The goal is again out of the playing area. Manori FC throws the ball. The pass. Ball is on the wrong side. Collected by Fresh. Fresh jersey number 1. Have been tackling 3 players, marking it up. Great defense by Manori FC. Manori FC goalie in the position to kick the ball. He kicks it right in the center. The header taken by the Fresh. Manori FC collects the ball. Jersey number 36 tackles the player out. They're going straight. Passes on, but the pass has not been collected. Now the passes have to Manori FC. Manori FC going straight. Stops the ball. In the penalty area, try to shoot. And that's a goal. That's a goal we are looking out for. The Manori FC has put a first goal, as they've shown some signs in earlier first part of the game, and they've done it. That was a wonderful goal. Very well passed tackle, and at last converted to the goal. Fresh passes on. Let's see if they can equalize the game. They had some few chances, but there's a striker coming ahead. Even tackle again, but pass it on to number 11. Number 11 kicks it off on the offside, and jersey number 22 takes it. Can he come near the goal? That's a question. Passes it again to number 11. He had a chance, but he missed it. It's just on the pole. Hits the pole and back. Outside the ground. Fresh gets a corner. Jersey 11 it's all set to take it. Kicks it off. Then the position they can kick. There's opportunity is lost. The ball is out of the playing area. Ball has been thrown by Manori FC, but to jersey number 22, Fresh. The referee interferes and there's a whistle. The ball is handed over to Fresh goalie. The defender of Fresh taking the ball ahead. Passes it on to the midfielder. Now he's jersey number 10. But Manori FC try to defend it, but in vain. Jersey number 6. Jersey number 89 takes it. Jersey number 18 of Manori FC. Can they make it to the second goal? There's a dust all over the place. Sweating it out. The ball is outside the playing area. The game has been going on a steady pace. Fresh fish. Fresh fish passing out to number 10. Manori showing the aggression to get the second goal. They're showing the aggressiveness, but not able to. They have a chance out here, and that's missed. They had a wonderful chance to score a second goal, but they missed it out. Fresh fish. Jersey number 11 kicks it off, but well saved by the goalie. Goal. That's wonderful. Lovely goal. That was wonderful by Jersey number 1. What are one of the best goals of the tournament? And very well tackled and taken a position and a shot. Now the games are level, as I said, both the teams good contenders and good players. As you can see, the goals are level. They are all the players in the position. Manori FC passes on to the Jersey number 18. 1-1. Beautifully, both the teams have showing good potential and the skills. Manori FC, they need to take a upper hand, so they need to have to put another goal. Or we can say Fresh Fish can come back in this game with a second goal, is it? But very well defended by the Manori FC. He kicks the ball outside the playing area.
Absolutely fascinating game happening out here. We've got Fresh Fish versus Manori FC. Both teams tied 1-0. Superb young talent to watch. Jersey number 11 doing justice to his team out there. And a zero-angle goal by Jersey number 1. What a splendid goal. Could say the best goal of the tournament was just scored. Super match happening out here on this YMCA grounds. Jesus Art Foundation. This is the 19th year in progression. 2 years avoided just because of COVID, but 17 years back to back. The football carnival happening at YMCA ground. And teams all over from Daman right up till Kulaba, from Kargar right up till CST, you name it. All over Maharashtra players are coming. That was a nice crack. Missed by inches, Jersey number 7. Super football happening at YMCA out here. All big games coming up. Spectators are requested to please follow, like us on Insta, subscribe, watch on YouTube. And 10 lovely people or 10 lucky people are going to get IPL tickets. That's Manori FC on the move this time, but game is getting much tougher as the time comes to an end. This is the midst of the second half. Few more minutes left for the game to get over. Manori FC trying that long pass, all in vain. Super piece of football showcase out. All right, that's again another game in the penalties. As you know, earlier in the morning, S. Morey, the goalkeeper of Fresh Fish, doing justice to his team and getting the team to the next round. And this is again a chance to watch out here. Let's see what happens now. The sleek, lanky player S. More, the goalkeeper of Fresh Face, getting the team to the round of 16. And this could be another opportunity. But likewise, Monori FC goalkeeper is also a superb goalkeeper. Jersey number 16, he's done laurels to his teams. More and more spectators expected with just around 6:30 as of now. This will go up till 11:30 in the night. Friends and foes, family members, if you have smartphone in your pocket, call up your people. This is going to be a Saturday night, a night to remember. And tomorrow, don't forget, Sunday is going to be a fun day with the Above 35. Above 35 matches about to begin. Come on, referees, to take charge and do away with the penalties as soon as possible. We got many more matches coming up. And about 35 veterans is the second time. It started last year. We're going to witness all the veteran players all over Maharashtra coming, and we've got the drone in place, capturing the aerial view. That's the butterfly moving out there. So back to the action. Monori boys in the goal. And we have Fresh Face taking the first kick. Let the better team win. First kick saved there by Monori FC. A lovely dive by More, but this time couldn't save. Couldn't save the pocket. Last penalties is done. Splendid job. Laurels to his team. Saved 3 goals and got the team to the round of 16. But this time, luck is unfavorable. Back-to-back save. Jersey number 16, Monori goalkeeper. He's becoming the dream boy out here. Super back-to-back 2 saves. Smooth like a butter. That was just rolling inside the pocket. Looks like the things are getting more clearer now. Monori FC. All happy faces.
लगता है मनोरी एफसी गार्डन में घूमने आया ऐसा गोल मार रहा है.
Man, oh man, oh man, this jersey number 16, number to 16, remember, other girls saying sweet 16. What a save, back-to-back 3 saves. Shall we say hard luck? Fresh fish. Super save. Game over, they say. Better luck next time, Fresh Fish. And Manori FC, congratulations. Coming up game is between Viva Excellence versus JKFC. JKFC versus Viva Excellence.
What a wonderful talent we had, the Fresh Fish and Manori FC. Both the team deserving to move ahead, but better luck next time for the Fresh Fish and Manori FC. What a day for the goalie, the jersey number 16 of Manori FC. What a day he had. What a saves. He saved